Good morning, what's good with y'all, chat? What's good with y'all? Alright, so last night we just marked up each pair that we was looking at, and it pretty much sold off here. Last night, I got my shit on. It pretty much sold off, and then now it's starting to make a little pullback. Let's go into daily. Let's see. Yeah, you got a break right here. I see it continuing falling down, taking out these lows down here for sure. If it can low key get up here on the daily. Oh yeah, let me Alright, chat, I had to post had to post everything on the socials, but I'm trying to get me a little some trade in today. No cap. Shit was dry yesterday. If nothing happened, if nothing really moved again, within the hour, then yeah, we'll go ahead and wrap up stream. But Alright, so I put my 71% gold zone right here because this was a previous high. This is a previous high. You got high, low, high, low, high. And then you got the breaker structure with the imbalance. Let me go ahead and let me go ahead and show you. So this right here is pretty much my trading plan, my risk plan, like the rules I have to follow to end up getting into my trade. So to start off with is the top-down analysis. So if you don't know what that is, it's like simple. Start from the monthly and work your way all the way down to the 15. My bad, I keep yawning and shit, but so that's top-down analysis, just starting from the monthly, the daily, 4 hour to like lower time frames, shit like that. So I risk up to 0.5% to 1 full percent. So that's like, well, technically, really for the trading account, for the funded account, we'll be doing 1%, 1 to like almost 2%, like 1.5. But something else that we will do is set and forget. But this time I want to change that a little bit. I don't want to set and forget too much. To where I'll leave it for nighttime. It's a nighttime trade. I don't like doing that, so we won't be doing that shit no more like that. No trade interference, or like no news or no nothing crazy like happened during our trading session. So after we got all that done and out the way, we want to go ahead and drop to the 4 hour time frame. That's what we started on with the stream. And then, so you want to go ahead and check that off. And if you don't know what this is Notion. It's like a little business app you could use. Take notes. So as we dropped down to the 4 hour, looked at what we needed. We wait for a clear breaker structure with imbalance. So right here, I'm gonna draw it for you. Right here is what we call imbalance, right? An imbalance candle. It wasn't really like nothing too crazy of a candle, but it did push with a lot of momentum and it broke that structure. So that is valid. Identify where the liquidity has been purged. So honestly, maybe right here, we could say. Could we call that a little liquidity sweep right here, fellas? Hold on. Ladies too included if you watching, but this is kind of a sweep right here. Like, if we get a flip, honestly, like I said, if that candle flips, that might be a decent entry for buys. No cap, actually. Just buys until we get up into this range, but this is actually looking solid. I need this to come down a little bit more though. Give me an entry. If it doesn't give me an entry, then nah, we can't take a setup on gold right now. But we identified the liquidity. Oh snap, I keep yawning. Shit. But, so, um, it say draw out the fib from swing point to swing point. So right now it doesn't have the triangles where the area is right now, but this is a more riskier setup right now. This is just to look really look for something on the stream for you, but still I'll be patient at the same time. So, but swing point A right here, and then swing point low right here. So drew it from top to bottom, 71% zone right here. Boom. Set order. Yeah, I had 2 contracts before, but every time I set and forget, it's like I'll come back down like a couple hundred to 1,000, but it's like I literally forgot I was in a trade, so it's like that shit would like kill my account, but it's all good. We'll put a little sell limit right here, but that doesn't mean we can't take buys all the way down here, because if you know anything about the Fibonacci tool, if it's at the 50% line, like if there was imagine a line that was in the middle of these 2 black lines. So instead of this gold zone being right here, it was like right in the middle. So anything up here is premium. Anything down here is discount. So yeah, discount means buys, premium sells. So we're right here at the lows of this Fibonacci, so this is indicating that we got buy pressure coming up, so that's pretty solid. We could draw down to the 15. Yeah, let me draw down to the 15, see if I can get a better entry. Yeah, I'm gonna need a little smooth pullback for us to get an entry in. Yeah, I'm really just looking. This last night, this had a strong reaction last night. But it just came back down. Pretty much it's still playing around right here. So this isn't something this is why you don't trade off of fair value gaps, because you would think that it's a push. You would think it's a push off of the fair value gap, but all I was gonna do is just play around right there, keep tapping it until it decides to move after that. But yeah, man, for real, we just chilling. We had an alert right here yesterday. It broke through that. So we should be looking for buys heading up on this side too until we get up here and start selling off, but who knows? Who knows? Gold right now is looking the best to me. The more clear, more simple. So we was on a downtrend. As you see, we under the EMA, but broke above, came down, broke above. I think it should come down a little bit more. I really feel like it'll sweep these lows right here, but yeah, it might push up higher than this. Probably about right here, but who knows? I needed a line up right here for real. Yeah, that's a pretty unlikely trade for it to come back on the 4 hour for the next 3 hours to come down here, basically take away all of these two candles, and then it wouldn't. I don't see it doing that. So yeah, man, we just gotta be patient and wait. There is no cutting the corner trying to get an easy little trade in today. We most definitely gotta stay disciplined and just wait. Honestly, just wait for shit to play out, honestly. I'm gonna keep coming on streams just to show y'all my ideas and what I'm thinking about and stuff like that, but yeah. Markets really aren't moving too crazy right now. Have a little music on in the background so shit just not boring. I don't know why that music not working for y'all, chat. I don't know why y'all can't hear it. Hmm. What's good, my boy Darian? I know you typed in there. Still trying to get this chat stuff working out. These first couple streams gonna be like me testing everything out for real. Alright, I tried my hardest to get that audio working for y'all to hear the music, but I can't really figure that out. It's alright though. Yeah, gold is the only thing we got going. And we can only trade futures, so this is all the pairs we really trade. ES might be sales for real. You can see it's it came to a overbought area. It's around that 6,000 mark over here. So we could see a hold up right here. I look at ES here and there, but I don't really trade it. Yeah, very choppy, very sideways action. A lot of sideways action, but it's solid. Alright, but now we got some music for the stream. So we not in this whole boring. So that's valid. Actually, let's see if I can get some. Oh, y'all gave me this. Why I can't find no music, chat? What the fuck? Everything cheesy. I just like me some smooth lo-fi. I'm asking for too much chat or what? Fuck, who care about copyright? There we go. Yeah, so we're literally trending sideways on NQ from the 11th all the way to today. It should have been sideways like hell. Really not much happening or really going on today, chat. We got a similar thing here. You had similar work right here, go up, came back down, bursted out on the 4 hour, right? It may look like a lot of candles broke out and it was heading down, but in reality, that shit was 1 4 hour candle and it came right back into it. So, and then now it's pushing up on the opposite side of the range. And now it's retesting it, so actually I kind of like this right here. Ooh, yeah, I like this right here. Hold on, chat. Hold on, chat. Damn, we got pals speaking at 1 p.m. So what, 12 our time? That's crazy. Actually, let me see. Yeah, so we got news at 12. Powell speaks. Unemployment claims was pretty good, actually. Yeah, nothing really happened on the core PPI, so that's why we have momentum. Yeah, that's why we really ain't have much going on. Everything gonna push up for right now. If you in the stream, man, say what's up in chat, man. Talk about some shit. I'm bored. We might have us a little riskier setup right here, chat. It was up here before the split, came down here, took out this low, and then rallied back up to this fair value gap. Tapped it damn near perfectly and then came down. Almost hit the target, but it didn't. So that's why this time I believe that it should push up a little bit, at least a little bit, and then maybe come down. But yeah, if it don't get all the way up here, that's fine. We'll find something around this area to catch it. But I still do believe indeed in sales for long term. Yeah, this pushing up nicely. Gold is definitely pushing up nicely. Yeah, this might take a couple days to get up here, and then another couple more days to actually give us some movement. So
a drink, Joe?
Nope. More reaction. We might go for another hour, chat. We might not get nothing for the stream. Oh shit. Wait, chat. Wait, hold on. We might have us a little entry. But I don't like forcing though. I really do not like forcing trades. But I don't want to give y'all a boring stream. No cap. Alright, let me really do my little research right here. We got this fair value gap tapped already, so it won't give a reaction off that no more. It has no choice but to drop down to the gold zone. Where we heading into almost 9 o'clock. I don't know, we might not have no volume until like the next hour, so I don't want to be caught in that limbo. That's just because it's a strong candle. We'll see what it do right here for y'all. It gave a strong push to the downside with this candle, so that's really why I'm really being patient. That's why I didn't want to stay in. So it's giving it a nice little reaction. We might have missed it trying to be too careful. Potentially though, it could still reverse, but because it just made sense for it to come out, like drop down to fake like it's going downwards, but come back, go up, retest. That looks like was the real probability right there, but yeah, we might have just missed it. We'd probably be up a couple hundred right now, but it's alright. I like to be real patient, bro. I like to be really patient, real steady with my trades, honestly. I don't like to gamble much. Like to be smart with it. Like I told y'all, the 71% gold zone does strike. Like it does give reactions most of the time. It's just you have to be patient and knowing when there's volume in the market to really push your trade in the direction that you want. So, and like I said, it tapped it on the damn T. It tapped it literally on the T and then turned around. So took the buy limit out, and yeah, now we're just gonna watch it. Crude oil was the first thing we was really looking at, but what we got, 2 hours. Yeah, I could have honestly I could have got in on that right there. I could have got in on that right there. Yeah, if it gives me an entry right here, that'd be fine. That'd be cool, but I'm really only looking to risk probably 500, maybe, if that, but we'll see. If we don't get tapped in, chat, that could be on me, possibly. No cap. I'm trying to be too patient. Missed the entry. Maybe I was trying to be a little bit too patient, chat. Hold on. You got 11 minutes. If it finishes above that blue, yeah, it's pushing. It's pushing, chat. It's pushing, chat. Ah, we missed it. We missed it. We'll already almost be up to a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio if we would have got tapped in, but I was being a little too cautious, chat. I hope this shit don't take off on me, because I will not get back in. I will not get in. I'm not gonna cap. If I don't get tapped in, I'm not getting in. That simple. Should have took the trade when I seen it, but no trip, no sweat, no trip. No trip, no sweat. Because if that motherfucker was the reverse and then end up hitting stop loss, we'd be like, oh, I was good. I didn't. Yeah, nah, we can't say that. Can't say that. So we got to be patient. Got to see what the market do for us. I'm really hoping we can get a little tap and take off for real. But shit, if it done, it's fine too. I ain't really tripping. I'm gonna go ahead and just get in for y'all, man. Just go ahead and show y'all a little work on the charts. I don't think it's gonna come back to my entry, so it's alright. We'll just say that this is our stop loss right here. If it reverses all the way down, then we out of there. Currently up $50 right now. That's what I'm saying. If we up $50 right here, we was gonna be up a couple hundred. Like, we literally would have been up a couple hundred, but we were trying to play it smooth. Honestly, we'll take anything around 350, a couple $100. I'll take that, but yeah, we just gotta be patient. Just gotta see. Three minutes into that next candle. Hopefully we can get a closure above this EMA zone, that blue line, hopefully. But yeah, there we go, that's a good push. Now we at $90, now we at 100. There we go, 110. Yes. Like I said, we get us a nice couple $100. We'll take out right there. And honestly, if I wasn't streaming right now, I'd go just like this. Will just be a little extra, right? You put that down there for that crude oil dropping, and then you got, so if we had a couple hundred right here, I'll say anything right here we'll take out. We'll take that ratio right there. We'll take that. If that candle gets to the top, man, that's the trade for the day. Not gonna force anything really much out of it, but yeah, I guess this little risky setup is somewhat working right now. Don't want to get too happy. You don't want to get too high off this shit, bro. You really don't. This shit really money at come and go, and especially with this shit not being 100% real. Like, what you're doing is real, but that account balance isn't your 50,000. So it's like, take the emotion away from that. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, just continue to hone in on the craft. You know, just keep learning, keep staying in these streams. You know, watch me work and stuff like that. Like, you can do this shit. You just gotta put in the work. 5 seconds right here. If we don't close above this, that'd be low-key a little scary for me. What'd that do? Did it close like right on it? Low-key? Yeah. It broke. Yeah. Alright. Alright, we'll stay in. Even though that's risky as fuck. Like, nigga, that's damn near on the line. Sheesh. Yeah, man, if we get a push all the way down here, respect to the markets to go ahead and take me out. But for right now, we are down $20 at this point. Hopefully we can get a little reversal, but yeah. I'm gonna be right back, chat. About to use the bathroom. Let me go ahead and put that on the screen. And I've been talking on mute this whole time. Chat again. Like, I be prone to doing that shit. Like, that is not good at all. But like I said, next stream I will have a stream journal for for myself and, you know, for everybody else to see. That every trade that I take will be documented. And yeah, man, this right here, it gave a nice little reaction to the gold zone that we had marked up. That's not the gold zone. Hold on. There you go. So, and honestly, I didn't really have to take out that 150, but I just didn't like the trade, honestly. Because let's just say I didn't get in right there and I waited for my entry to get tapped again, I'll just now be getting tapped in. And it's like, will it react and turn all the way around and then go up? It's like, maybe, but it's like, if it was any momentum to be told, it would have been told in this candle right here. It would have pushed up above that blue line. I could be very much wrong though. I could be very much wrong, but I don't feel like I said in the beginning, I didn't feel like this was the best of entry in the first place, but I just wanted to get something off for the stream, which is crazy because it's really going back up a little bit. I just didn't want it to drop no further down than that, so I just ended up closing, which is totally fine. You don't want to over risk yourself. Even though I said I would do 500, I really didn't want to lose 500 on the trade. But yeah, like this is what I'm saying. If you're gonna go up, I need you to really go up. Like, yeah, I don't really like the plan like that. If that's the case, I'll just set and forget. I'll get off the charts. I don't got time to look at this shit. As long as my analysis and my thought process on everything was aligned with me and how I trade, I don't really care, honestly. Like, this loss doesn't feel like a loss, because at the end of the day, it still reacted. It still gave a reaction to the zone. It was just, you know, things happen. But chat, and it actually looked like it's not even touching the gold zone no more. That's crazy. Did I play myself, chat? That shit didn't even touch the gold zone. Yeah, there's a lot to be journaled with this trade. The first trade of this account. Yeah, look at that. It's just playing. Like, who? Yeah, nah. No Sirski, not a fan. So yeah, we'll show the balance again. 49,865. That's a little dip. That don't hurt nobody. You just gotta learn from the mistake. Keep it pushing. Be better the next morning. Honestly, we were up profit, and I really should have closed. Honestly, like I didn't believe that the trade would have like gone any higher than right here, especially on stream. So it was like, what do you want to do? Take it right here, take the risk, or just wait? So we waited, took the risk, and yeah, it's all right though. It's all good in the hood, man. It's all good in the hood. We will be back tomorrow on stream. It is 8:57 currently right now. We'll let this candle rock out. We'll let this candle finish, see what it do. But yeah, man, once again, it was an okay setup. I seen potential in it. I seen things that made sense to get in the trade. So sorry y'all, that's a plus. But Obviously, the negative is that we didn't catch a little dub today, man. Didn't catch a dub. But you're not gonna win every single time. You're not. We got 2 minutes here. It looked like it's gonna push up, honestly, but it's all right. Yep. Look at that. Look at that, chat. Look at that shit right there. Gave a full flip. Like bro, you can't make this shit up. You can't. You cannot make this up. The markets are unpredictable, man. They are unpredictable. That shit damn near just gave a full flip right there, chat. That was crazy. That shit really gave almost a full flip. Like, things that this trade tells me is, you know, be more patient once again. Trust more in your analysis, right? If we would have just got in right here, simply put, that push down wouldn't have mattered. Honestly. That push down would have put us in like barely anything. We would have still been in this trade. Now we'll be back in the green. Like, you know, things is definitely fixable. So it's nothing like to cry over spilled milk about at all. So we'll be back doing this shit every day. So we will find better setups, 100%. But this one right here, man, is smacking. It did flip. And it closed above the blues, just barely. Like, that shit was just not good enough. That was a nice push. That was a beautiful push right there, man. That's crazy. That's crazy work. That's crazy work. Let's see what the market do with the next candle, though. Chat. Let's look on the 4 hour. What the 4 hour looking like? Yeah. It's been on a downtrend for a full week, but it was on an uptrend the previous week before, so we don't really know, chat. We don't really know. I figured it was gonna probably give a wick fill, but who knows? Yeah, I'm really not interested in anything else right now. Gold really haven't done much. Yes, low-key doing something, but yeah, crude oil was the real movement today. Didn't get the trade that we wanted, but once again, it is all right. We will be back tomorrow for a better stream. So, like, we'll only be up like $50-$60, and it's like for all this movement right here that just happened. All this movement right here that just happened. From the minute it tapped the gold zone to right here, look at this movement, bro, with these candles. And you're telling me we had no push up at all? Yeah, get me out of here. No bullshit, get me out of here. If we, like I said, if we would have tapped right here, whole different story. But this is exactly why I told myself earlier that I wasn't going to get in later, and I got in later with a little bit of fear of missing out, low-key, for the stream, and it got me. But this is definitely a trade that is over for me. I will not be looking at this no further. So, yeah, dog. I will catch y'all tomorrow morning, 6:30, 7. Whatever time I get to these charts, y'all should be up. So, yeah, I'll catch y'all.